Yo, what up YouTube? We finally made it to the Highlands here in Cape Breton. We're in Highlands National Park. To start it off, we're gonna just hit up a quick hike called Salmon Pools Trailheads. I believe the hike's around 6 to 8 kilometers. I know the final look is like this cool valley shot, so I'm really looking forward to getting to the top. The fall colors, apparently I did miss the peak, which was around Thanksgiving time, so unfortunately it's not going to be the best of fall colors, but still absolutely beautiful here. And yeah, I'm just going to make the best of it and just explore for the next couple of days. Alright, so I just hiked 16 kilometers, 8 there, 8 back, for a sign to tell me I couldn't go any farther because of erosion on the path. I mean, it happens, it's the way she goes. I'm starving after that hike. We're gonna cook up some pasta and chicken. I got here some Classico Alfredo red pepper sauce. Oh, fired up. So after we eat, we're just gonna drive around the Highlands, probably pull off at some beautiful spots, and maybe possibly another hike today. I have to take advantage of these beautiful days here because the last 4 days have been super rainy. Apparently I came during the rain season, which not a huge fan of the rain. Honestly, all my stuff's pretty much soaked, but you know what? There's really nothing to complain about, and I'm still really enjoying my time here in Cape Breton. And yeah. So let's get some food in us and let's enjoy the rest of the day. After I was done eating, I ended up finding a really cheap, nice shower, and you always got to take advantage of that when you're on the road because that opportunity doesn't come too often. So it's almost sunset and we're not too far into the park. I was at their spot the other day during the day when it was rainy and like moody. We got some pictures on these super cool cliffs, but I figured I'm gonna go there before sunset. It's like an insane spot right by the ocean. There's these drop off cliffs, so we're gonna get some pictures, some videos. Hopefully have an amazing sunset, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, holy, this is amazing. An unreal sunset, unreal spot. I knew this was the perfect place to come. Skyline probably would have been packed. No one around here, like no one, absolutely no one. The trail's a little bit sketchy. It kind of goes against the coast, but you just got to take your time and be careful, because spots like this are the spots you remember. This is just what makes me come back and create, because it's just amazing just to like honestly capture the area. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love creating videos like this. I love creating in general. The East Coast is still blowing my mind. I didn't know there was like drop-off cliffs like this. Like, this is amazing, absolutely amazing. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and have a great weekend whenever this is uploaded. I hope you have a great day, and peace.